We should all do something today that our future will thank you for. One of my favorite quotes is from 19th century writer by a person named Alice Morse Earl, who wrote, "The clock is running. Make the most of today. Time waits for no man. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift, and that's why it's called the present." Hello, everyone. I'm David Lewis, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. Too often we get bogged down in the past and let the things we did or didn't do determine who we are today and who we will become tomorrow. There's no doubt that, for most of us, our past has a lot to do with who we are today. But we cannot do anything about the past except learn from it, apologize for our mistakes, and to anyone we may have hurt along the way. As for the future, it truly is a mystery. We don't necessarily have the power to know it, but we have something better. We have the power to create it. What we do today with the time, energy, and resources we have will determine who we become in the future and what we accomplish along the way. We all want to have a better future than we have today. No one in their right mind really wants to look back with regret and have the words would've, could've, should've written on their tombstone at the end of all of it. The best way to avoid that from happening is to do something today that your future will thank you for doing. Today is Motivational Monday. What happens tomorrow and Wednesday will largely be determined by what you do today. Decide where you want to be tomorrow and a week or a month from now, and take actions that will get you there so you can be thankful that you made the right decisions and took the right actions. You may feel like you've been in the business too long to improve your skills, and you're willing to let your future be whatever it will be, resting on what you already have and what you already know. But is that the way to make a future that will thank you for what you did today? How many dealership managers waited far too long to get a website or start advertising on social media or other online platforms, only to have a hard time trying to catch up with those who saw where things were going and got in early? I remember back when some people in the business were saying, people will never buy a car online. They want to feel it. They want to drive it. They want to smell it. They want to see that new car. The millions of vehicles that have been sold online or from non-traditional methods and venues attest to the fact that they were wrong. I wonder how many of them wish that they had made a different choice and got on the bandwagon earlier than they did. Remember, the clock is running. Make the most of today. Time waits for no man. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why it's called the present.